In this video, I'm going to show you how to install MySQL Server on Ubuntu 18.04 and 19.04. So this is basically 19.04, but this command should work on 18.04 as well. So quickly go ahead and launch your terminal, and let's go ahead and update the Ubuntu core. So sudo apt update upgrade, type your password and let it update everything for you. So it's done. We will go ahead and install this server, the MySQL server 5.7. so type this command, very simple one, sudo apt install MySQL server. Okay, hit enter, say yes, say type Y. This is going to take some time here, however it doesn't take long. See, now it's going to process everything. So you can see it's 5.7.26 on Ubuntu 19.04, and it's just trying to process the client and the server as well. Shouldn't take long now. I don't know why it's stuck here. Renaming if present. Okay, no problem. It's okay, here we go. And we are almost done. So let me just go ahead and exit and launch my terminal again. So if I type MySQL, you can see I'm getting access denied. Okay, if I say sudo, that's what you have to do. Type sudo MySQL and type password for your user, this user, whatever user it represents here, the login password, and you are in here. So you do not have any username yet. You have username, that's root, but the password is not set yet. So we will go ahead and set the password. I've got few commands here that you can use. So it's a long one. I will leave this in the description that you can copy from and paste in here. I'll simply go ahead and extend it. You can see it clearly. So this is what you have to type: alter user space underscore root at then underscore localhost identified with MySQL underscore native underscore password by, and then the password, whatever password it is, you can change it. Okay, and then hit enter. Now you can simply type flush privileges and okay, here we go. Error. Let me type in uppercase, and it did work. Okay, so we are done. Now you can go ahead and exit, and if you try to log in now, let me just go ahead and relaunch it. So the process is very simple. You have to alter the password for your root user and then flush privileges. You can try the lowercase, uppercase, whatever works for you. Exit and then type in this command to log in. So simply type MySQL. U means you have to type the username now. That's going to be root, and since you have the password, you have to type -p and the password, whatever password you've chosen for your root user. So we are in here. We can go ahead and check the database, create the database. Let's go ahead and create a database. So create database, and database name is going to be dummy, and hit enter. Now let's go ahead and check the databases. So we have dummy created here. So this is how you install and set up MySQL server with terminal on Ubuntu 18.04 and 19.04.